Nearly 94% of drivers have never even heard of these automotive hacks that can prevent unnecessary trips to the repair shop. Some of them can save you hundreds of dollars a month in maintenance, while others can extend the lifespan of your car by years. And the truth is, a lot of mechanics would rather you never find out about this. Today, you're going to see 12 car hacks that sound fake, but actually work. Let's start with number 12. Hack number 12. Black shoe polish on tires. Take a look at your tires. The sidewalls probably have that dry, faded grayish look that makes the whole car seem worn out. But there's a trick that detailers have been using for years, and almost nobody talks about it. Black shoe polish, the paste kind, not liquid, reacts with rubber in a way that's surprisingly similar to how it conditions leather. Apply it using an old brush or cloth in short circular motions. Let it sit for about a minute, then wipe off the excess with a dry cloth. The result is a clean, uniform matte black finish without that overly glossy, artificial shine, and more importantly, without slinging residue onto your paint when you drive. Tire shine products in the US can easily run anywhere from $10 to $25, and many of them wash off after the first rain. A tin of shoe polish costs a couple of bucks and can last for months. That's not magic, that's markup. Now let's move away from the tires and go straight to one of the most critical contact points between you and the car. Hack number 11. Petroleum jelly on pedals. Your gas, brake, and clutch pedals go through constant wear. Over time, the rubber hardens, develops small cracks, and loses flexibility. That leads to squeaks, a strange feel under your foot, and even reduced grip in wet conditions. What most people never do is basic rubber conditioning. A thin layer of petroleum jelly, applied with your finger or a cloth, helps restore flexibility, reduces noise, and prevents further drying. The key is moderation. Apply a small amount and wipe off the excess so you don't compromise grip. Replacing pedal covers can cost anywhere from $20 to $60 in the US, depending on the vehicle. A jar of petroleum jelly costs just a few dollars. In many cases, those replacements could have been avoided entirely. Now let's move to something that's literally inside your door, and almost nobody knows how to use it properly. Hack number 10. Power window reset. Does your power window go up unevenly, struggle on the way down, or lose its one-touch function? Most people immediately assume it's a motor or regulator issue, which can turn into a $100 to $300 repair. But in many modern cars, the system relies on electronic calibration. If the battery was disconnected or there was a voltage drop, the system can lose its reference points. The fix takes less than 30 seconds. Hold the window switch down until the window is fully open, and keep holding for 3 more seconds. Then pull it up to fully close and hold for another 3 seconds. Release and test. In many cases, the system recalibrates instantly and works like new. Shops often charge $20 to $50 just to diagnose something like this. Here, you fix it for free. Now let's talk about something you've probably seen in your car but never noticed. Hack number 9. Hidden trunk hooks. You load groceries into the trunk, drive home, and when you open it, everything is all over the place. That happens to millions of people every single week. The detail most drivers miss is that many cars sold in the US already come with built-in trunk hooks. They're usually tucked away on the side panels or under the cargo floor, folded and almost invisible. When you pull them out, they're designed specifically to hold grocery bags in place and prevent them from tipping over. Aftermarket trunk organizers can cost anywhere from $15 to $40 just to do what your car may already offer from the factory. It's worth taking a closer look. Your car might already have this feature, and you've just never used it. Before we get into the next ones, the ones that really make a difference in your wallet long-term, stay with me because the next hacks are where things start getting surprising. Hack number 8. Baking soda to protect your paint. Bird droppings, tree sap, road grime. None of that is just cosmetic, it's chemical. These substances are often acidic and can attack your clear coat if left untreated. A lot of people either wipe it dry, which scratches the paint, or spend money on expensive detailing products. Baking soda, mixed with a bit of water to form a paste, works as a mild neutralizing agent. Apply it with a microfiber cloth using light pressure, let it sit for about a minute, then wipe and rinse. The process relies more on chemical reaction than aggressive scrubbing, which reduces the risk of damage. A basic paint correction job in the US can cost $150 to $500 or more. A box of baking soda costs less than $2. Now let's get into one of the most well-known hacks, but one that many people still doubt. Hack number 7. Toothpaste and wax on headlights. Foggy headlights aren't just ugly, they significantly reduce nighttime visibility. This happens because the polycarbonate surface degrades from UV exposure over time. Restoration kits in the US typically cost between $15 and $50 and involve multiple steps. But there's a simpler method. Use regular white toothpaste, not gel, the kind with mild abrasives. Apply it to the headlight and rub with a damp cloth in circular motions for about 2 minutes. This removes the oxidized outer layer. Rinse it off, and while the surface is still slightly damp, apply a thin layer of car wax. This helps seal the surface and slows down future oxidation. The results can last for months. A professional headlight restoration service can run anywhere from $50 to $150. Here, you're using something you already have at home. Hack number 6. Lanolin spray against rust. Rust doesn't announce itself. It starts quietly in wheel wells, undercarriages, and areas you can't even see. By the time it becomes visible, the damage is already advanced. But there's a low-cost solution widely used in agricultural equipment that almost no repair shop talks about: lanolin spray. It's a natural waxy substance derived from sheep's wool, commonly used for waterproofing. When applied to metal, it creates a barrier that's highly resistant to moisture. Here's the technical edge: lanolin penetrates light surface rust, displaces moisture, and forms a flexible coating that can self-heal over time, lasting anywhere from 6 to 12 months. Unlike rubberized undercoatings that can trap water and accelerate corrosion, lanolin breathes while still repelling water and debris. Application is straightforward. Safely lift the vehicle and spray all exposed metal components: frame rails, suspension parts, brake lines, and exhaust mounts. Focus especially on seams and corners where water tends to collect. Let it set for about an hour. 1 can is usually enough to cover an entire sedan. Professional rust-proofing services in the US can range from $150 to $600 or more. This method costs around $15 to $25. Hack number 5. Unclogging the AC drain. Water pooling on the passenger side floor looks like a serious problem, and many shops immediately jump to heater core replacement or windshield sealing issues. The estimate climbs fast. But in roughly 90% of cases, the issue is much simpler: a clogged AC drain line. Your air conditioning system produces condensation, and that water needs to exit the vehicle. When the drain tube gets clogged with dirt, leaves, or debris, water backs up and leaks into the cabin. The fix: locate the drain tube underneath the car, usually near the firewall on the passenger side. Use a thin wire, pipe cleaner, or compressed air to clear the blockage. The trapped water should start draining immediately. Total time: under 1 minute. Cost: $0. In a shop, this can easily turn into a $80 to $200 diagnostic. Hack number 4. Peppermint oil against rodents. Rats and mice love engine bays. It's warm, protected, and full of wiring that's perfect for chewing. A single rodent can cause thousands of dollars in electrical damage in just hours. Wiring harnesses destroyed, sensors compromised, insulation torn apart. But there's a highly effective natural repellent: peppermint essential oil. The smell is overwhelming for rodents and acts like an invisible barrier. Apply it by soaking cotton balls and placing them around the engine bay, especially near air intakes and wheel well areas. Reapply every couple of weeks. Unlike mothballs or dried leaves, peppermint oil maintains its intensity much longer. Professional pest control services can cost hundreds of dollars and often rely on harsh chemicals. A small bottle of peppermint oil costs around $8 to $15 and can last for months. Hack number 3. Hot water and a plunger for dents. Someone bumped your bumper and left an ugly dent? Paintless dent repair can cost anywhere from $100 to $500 depending on severity. But if the paint isn't damaged, there's a simple method. Modern bumpers are made of thermoplastic, which becomes flexible when heated. Pour hot water directly over the dent to soften the material. Then take a clean household plunger, press it firmly onto the dented area, and pull. The suction helps pop the plastic back into shape. If it doesn't work on the first try, repeat the heating process. Then pour cold water to lock the shape back in place. This works because the material has shape memory and tends to return to its original form when heated. Cost: 0. Time: under 10 minutes. Hack number 2. Replacing your cabin air filter yourself. The cabin air filter prevents dust, pollution, and pollen from entering your car's interior. The typical recommendation is replacement every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. The problem: dealerships often charge $30 to $100 for something that takes less than 5 minutes. In most vehicles, the filter is located behind the glove box. Just release the side tabs, lower the compartment, and access the filter housing. Remove the old filter, insert the new one, and you're done. A new filter costs between $10 and $25 depending on the model. Over a 10-year period, this alone can save you hundreds of dollars. And there's more: a clean filter improves airflow, increases AC efficiency, and reduces contaminants inside the cabin. Hack number 1. Cleaning the AC air intake. That musty smell when you turn on the AC isn't normal. It's caused by bacteria and mold building up in the evaporator, a dark, damp environment that's perfect for growth. Shops charge anywhere from $50 to $150 for a cleaning service, but the process is much simpler. Start the car, set the AC to maximum, and switch to fresh air mode. Then spray a disinfectant directly into the air intake, usually located at the base of the windshield on the passenger side. The product gets pulled into the system and kills the microorganisms. Let the fan run for a few minutes after application. Here's the key difference: air fresheners only mask the smell. This actually eliminates the source. Do this twice a year, and you can completely avoid that unpleasant odor. Total cost: around $5 to $10.